Good morning, day 61 of 75 Hard. Last night, the wife and I were sitting around. She's reading this book, and she reads me this quote that said, "What you will create today, what you eat today, and who you will connect with are the only things you will carry with you." And we sat there and went like, huh. So I want to hone in on the what you eat today, because so many of us feed ourselves junk. And guess what? That junk is inside you. I mean, until it comes out of you. But that junk is inside you, and you carry that with you everywhere you go. Vice versa, if you feed yourself healthy, that also comes with you. And it's in you, and it's part of you. Our society's full of fucking junk that we feed ourselves, not only like physically, but mentally. You know, obviously we're on social media if you're watching this, but like social media is a cesspool of fucking shenanigans sometimes. And if you're not careful, you're just feeding your mind with junk, and then you're feeding your body with junk, and there's toxins everywhere. It's no wonder we have so many unhealthy people in this world, and not just physically, like mentally and spiritually and emotionally. So what are you feeding yourself today? What are you putting in your body? What are you putting in your mind that you're carrying with you everywhere you go? Is it benefiting you? Is it helping you to help others? Or is it holding you back from what you could be, from the joy you could be having? Something to think about today. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. What's up, party people? Day 61. Tasks are complete. It is, once again, not even 4 o'clock yet. Just walked in a windstorm. Look at this. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but like, it's not overcast here. It's just fucking dusty. There's some giant windstorm. It's blowing through Texas today. I saw West Texas had like semis being knocked over, and it looked real bad out there. So I'm sure my sinuses will thank me for my outdoor workout this afternoon, but it's all good. Strapped on the weight vest, strolled around the neighborhood with purpose, and again, feeling good. 2 weeks from today, we wrap this thing up. We just keep trudging along, doing the thing, rocking it out. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.